How to save a CapCut video in gallery. So what we can simply do is we can open our CapCut here, and after opening our CapCut, we can simply click on the new project option, and here we can choose any video that we like. Here I am choosing this video, and after choosing this video we can simply edit this video. Here I am doing some editing, and then what else we can do is we'll get an option of export right on the upper right corner. Then we can simply export it, and here we can share it anywhere like our message, mail, Instagram, Facebook, Zoom, Drive, TikTok, Viber, WhatsApp, and other um, option given below. So yeah, that is how we can this will be done, and your video will be saved in your gallery. And yeah, that is how we can save CapCut video in gallery.